If your credit card is being declined by Uber, there are several possible reasons why this may be happening. One common issue is incorrect information, such as an incorrect card number, CVV number, or billing zip code. To resolve this, try removing your current payment method and adding it again. To do this, launch the Uber app, select Account, then click Wallet and tap Add Payment Method. Manually add your credit card by entering the card number, CVV number, expiration date, and billing zip or postal code, and then click Save, ensuring all information is correct. However, the issue may also be with the card itself. If your credit card is expired, you have insufficient funds, or you're trying to use it abroad without authorization, Uber will decline it. Additionally, if your bank suspects fraudulent activity or you've previously reported your card as lost, stolen, or missing, this could also be the cause. In these cases, it's best to contact your bank or financial institution to resolve the issue. Confirm with a bank representative that your credit card is active, verified, and authorized for international transactions if necessary. By addressing these potential problems, you should be able to use your credit card with Uber without any issues.